Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Guys, I'm here on the beach in Ocho Rios, and it is just a very beautiful day. As you can see, the sky has a wonderful shade of blue. There are people out in the ocean taking a dip. There are boats out there. Everything is just in its element. I see some gentlemen over here, so I'm just gonna go over and take a little chat with them.
Yeah. Jamaica Bamboo Cup, it say one
Good
love.
morning, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you gentlemen doing?
I'm fine, thanks.
Good. What you selling today?
I'm selling bamboo cups. Say
Yeah?
one love. It say Jamaica 2023 and we can engrave your name. That's a cup made from bamboo and this is a straw.
That's a piece of
When
the
you walk
island.
with one of these, you walk with a piece of the island because you got the coconut tree. And the
Okay.
coconut tree signal Jamaica.
And you have the straw in it.
That is straw.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a drinking cup.
And you
This
made
is
that?
a straw, yeah, with the maker,
You made
yeah.
that yourself?
Yeah, and we can put your name. We can engrave your spelling name and we carve it.
Oh,
in.
lovely, lovely,
Your name, you know.
lovely. So, how long have you been doing this?
I do this for 30 years. I'm 54 years old.
Have you been doing it for
Do it for
30
30
years?
years, yeah.
Wow. And where do you sell them?
I sell them
On the beach?
Yeah.
Okay. And people patronize you?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And what's your name?
Dr. Charlie.
Dr. Charlie.
Yeah, and we've been known all over the world because people from all over the world come and meet me. All
Okay.
over the world, people from all over the world, we sell bamboo cups.
Dr. Charlie, that is gorgeous.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous.
These are
I
natural,
love it.
natural.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we
Yes.
say Jamaica no problem with it.
Every time. What we say again?
Jamaica no problem.
Jamaica, no
And
problem.
we are here.
Every time. Thank you,
Welcome.
Dr.
Yeah,
Charlie.
Dr. Charlie.
So if somebody want to reach out to you, Dr. Charlie,
Dr. Charlie.
to get
You get to me?
cup, yes, to get the cup
Now,
made,
you see, I don't tell you, I don't on the YouTube and I don't on Facebook, and you have to
Yeah.
come on the beach to get to me.
you have to come on the beach.
Yeah, because we are local, you know that.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
every
we are
time.
not local, sorry, but we are the native. We are
Yes,
the native people, you understand?
got you,
So
got
we
you,
don't on
Dr.
no
Charlie.
Facebook and no YouTube, we are just native. So if you want to
Original.
reach out, we have to come and book in the hotel and then you come on the beach.
Come
and
on the
you
beach.
Get to us, you understand what I mean?
Nice.
Yeah.
But Dr. Charlie, I must tell you, they are some gorgeous pieces.
Yeah, and we sell all the shells, all on one minute. We sell shells too.
Yeah, man, no worries, man.
Yeah.
Boy, look at
Check
we-
it out.
Yeah,
We sell
guys, we
problem.
have another. And
Yeah.
what's your name?
I'm the ginger man.
The ginger man.
I'm the weed seed. When you see me, you see the weed tree. Yeah, that's ginger. And when you see we make Jamaica happy, we make the culture happy, we make the people happy. My sister, it's been a while we don't see each other. Welcome home. I've been looking for you all these years. I can't see you. Welcome to the island. I'm your brother. No what, no fun. It's Jamaica.
No
When
problem.
you're in Jamaica, you say, yeah, man.
Yeah,
What do we say?
Thumbs up, thumbs
Yeah,
up.
man.
We say, yeah,
I
man.
will say, Hyrie.
No,
We
man,
say,
no, no.
Irie.
I will say, wagwan.
Okay.
Wagwan, man.
And what else we
What
say?
you deal with?
I will say, wagwan, madam. And that's a way. Real hardcore Jamaican from the roots of the ghetto.
All right.
On the culture, on the beach.
Every time.
Never forgot the
We are the
roots.
native
Yes.
natural
Native
people.
Yes.
Jamaican.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ginger, let me see what you have here.
Yeah, these are what we do.
Ooh,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Blue Mountain
Yeah.
coffee bead.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh, you
reggae-
make them
reggae
from the
bead.
coffee bead.
Yeah, coffee
Yeah.
bead, yeah.
Yeah.
We
And
call
you
it reggae bead.
and you sell it. Oh, wow.
Reggae beads, yeah.
No worries, man.
Beautiful,
Once you're happy,
beautiful.
Once you're happy, we're happy. If
Good.
we're sad, we're sad and I'm gonna start crying.
Yeah, and-
You're such a nice lady, you don't wanna start
And when
crying.
you come to Jamaica, you come to see guy like we. You
Yeah.
come to see we, the native guy. we native.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Dr. Charlie,
These
what
are
you
the
have here?
Milk shells from the ocean. These shells bring luck to your home. When you put it in your ears, you can hear the ocean.
Yes.
This one is a milk shell. That shell
Some-
from the ocean.
No.
And we also have the starfish. Straight
Oh,
from the ocean. That's a
beautiful.
5-star general.
Yeah. Ooh.
And something like this bring luck to your home. Anything from the ocean bring luck to your home. You know
yes.
that.
Yes. Yes.
And I am
That's
a fish.
beautiful.
I'm a licensed fisherman for 30 years. That's my cousin over there. That's Mikey.
Hi, Mikey.
You are the maker for the cup. Do we make the cup them together? You see?
Lovely.
Mikey, it's a peace and love.
Lovely.
One Love Jamaica 2023.
Lovely.
Reggae cup. And I'm not telling a lie. We sell a little smoke too. That's why my name is Dr. Charlie, because I got medication. I want to try to make you take a
Oh,
look in my
no,
bag.
no, the medication?
Yeah.
No, you don't have to show us the medication
Okay,
today.
but with the medication is in the bag.
Yeah, but yeah, you don't have to
Yeah,
show
we
us
have to
that
show, but we
today.
just tell you.
Yes.
That's why my name is the doctor.
Okay,
I
Dr.
am a
Charlie.
doctor of all medication.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, and if you're ready, we engrave your name on one of these.
yes.
And
All
you're
right,
gonna have
Dr.
it
Charlie.
as souvenir.
Right.
You just spell out your name and we right away put it on the field.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome.
And it's a souvenir full of other call anything cold, keep
Beautiful.
cold, anything hot, keep hot. When
Yes.
you walk with one of these, you walk with a piece of the island because you got the coconut chain made out of bamboo, Jamaica. Because remember, Jamaica is woods, land, and water,
Water.
you know, and this
Yes.
is a piece of Jamaica bamboo.
Yes, yes,
That's
of course.
Yeah,
Yes,
so you know what you're talking about.
Yes.
You know? And we
Every
welcome
time.
in and we appreciate everything what you do. Respect and love. Because black,
Every
black
time.
never crack, don't you know that we're the best in the whole world. And when you
Yes.
talk about black, look at our color. We is the best in the whole world. Black.
all right,
Black
Dr.
never
Charlie.
crack.
Never, never.
And-
All right, Dr. Charlie.
Remember, August is Marcus Garvey month. I born the 8th of August. He born the 7th. Marcus Garvey born the 17th. So you're in Garvey
Yes.
line.
All right.
St. John, Jamaica.
Okay.
Garvey line, yeah.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, Marcus,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Dr.
my dear.
Charlie.
You're
Dr.
welcome, my dear.
Charlie.
No
Thank
problem.
you, Dr.
And what I
Charlie.
tell you, you're welcome,
Thank you.
Jamaica.
Thank
No
you.